All right. Okay, 4-6, halfway through. By the wait, what? By the time, by the time the 2002 World Cup was held, soccer, なんとか, already become a leading sport in Japan. Perhaps you remember the Soccer World Cup. Japan and South Korea, I guess it was. 10 years ago. Long time. So anyway, by the time the 2002 Soccer World Cup was held, by the time, what does it mean? By the time means until that point. So let's draw our timeline again here. 2002. 2002. That was the Soccer Cup. By the time the 2002 World Cup was held, soccer already become a leading sport in Japan. So what it means, before that, somewhere before, until that point, by the time, it became popular, soccer. Now we have a situation where it starts in the past and it ends in the past. Before, if you remember, I always drew like this is past and it ends here, now. But in this situation, it ends in the past. We call it past perfect. Before it was present perfect, now it's past perfect. The correct answer here is had. Not has, it's present, and not is, and not was either. It's a had. Had already become a leading sport in Japan because it starts in the past and it ends in the past. So one more time, by the time the 2002 very nervous today. By the time the 2002 World Cup was held, soccer had already become a leading sport in Japan. So you always have to picture yourself this timeline. Where is it? When did it happen? What timeline we are looking for here? This starting in the past, ending in the past, it's called past perfect. Starting in the past, ending now, present perfect. Past perfect, present perfect. Very little difference. So in present perfect, just in case, I don't want to confuse you, but just imagine, present perfect, it would be has already become, because it would end now. Until now, until today, soccer has already become a leading sport. Starts in the past, ends today. But in this case, by the time the 2002 World Cup was held, is in the past, so it has to be before that time, which means the action starts in the past and ends in the past. So we use had already become. Sounds complicated, but it's really simple. You just have to think about the time. When did it start? When did it end? Or when does it end? And you can figure out the grammar very easily. はい。